Hello everybody. Today I bring you to the wonderful neighborhood of the McClellan Heights in Davenport, Iowa. Sitting along the bluff of the mighty Mississippi River, this property has so much to offer you. With just a short walk down to the bustling village of East Davenport, where there's restaurants, shopping, nightlife, and activities throughout the whole year for your family, or taking a stroll along the bike path to get your outdoor fix in. What's awesome about this one is that it sits right in the middle of all the things to do. This is 123 Essex Lane, and I am Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty. Let's go take a look. So the first thing you're going to notice about this amazing two-story is you're going to walk into the spacious foyer and see instantly the bright hardwood floors, all natural, all original, and the white trim and the beautiful painted walls throughout. Over here, I'm going to take you through and we're going to check out the living room. It's really spacious. You've got a wood-burning fireplace, tons of light, and it flows right into the rest of the home, and I want to go show it to you now. This is one of my favorite rooms. I can just envision having a cup of coffee here in the mornings and hanging out, watching TV, or even enjoying the nice fireplace. Yes, this house has 2 fireplaces. Here we are inside the kitchen. It's bright, it's white, it's got a gorgeous backsplash, and you will definitely love the granite countertops. The last thing I want to show you about this amazing property is that it is very unique in the fact that you almost have a reverse cul-de-sac behind the house. That being said, you have a lot less yard work than most people, so you can enjoy the finer things in life. Well, thank you so much for coming along with us and touring this gorgeous home today. If you would like to see this home, feel free to reach out to our team. And again, I'm Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty, and we'll see you next time.